In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send email using Brevo. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you will know how to create an email campaign, choose a template, add the right recipients, and send it immediately. Start by logging into your Brevo account and looking at the left sidebar. Find the marketing section, then click Campaigns. This is the area where Brevo keeps all of your marketing sends, so it is the right place to begin whenever you want to send a broadcast email. Next, click the button to create a campaign. Brevo will ask what type of campaign you want to create. Choose Email, then Continue. Selecting Email here ensures you are building a standard email campaign, not an SMS or another channel. Now you will be asked to create a campaign name, then proceed. Pick a name that helps you recognize the campaign later, especially if you run multiple sends. A good habit is to include the purpose of the message and a simple identifier, so you can find it easily in your campaign history. After you name the campaign, click Design Email. This takes you into the email builder, where you decide what your message will look like. To speed things up and keep your branding consistent, select a template from the available options. Take a moment to choose one that fits the style of your announcement, newsletter, or update. Then click Use Template to load it into the editor. Once the template is selected and loaded, click Save and Quit. This saves your progress so you do not lose your design work, and it brings you back to the campaign setup flow where you can finish the sending details. Now click Add Recipients. Here you will select a list, which is the group of contacts you want to receive this email. Make sure you choose the correct list, since this controls who gets the message. Keeping your lists organized inside Brevo makes this step much safer and faster. Finally, click Schedule and select Send Now. This tells Brevo to send the campaign immediately using the settings you just configured. Take a brief moment to confirm you are ready, since Sending Now will deliver the email as soon as Brevo begins processing it. That covers everything you need to know.